Welcome to TapTech. Today we are diving into what might be the single most anticipated tech release in the aerial world: the specs, supply chain leaks, and engineering secrets of the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. If you are looking to buy a drone or upgrade your current setup, do not press purchase on anything until you hear what DJI is planning for this new flagship. If you thought sub-249-gram drones had reached their absolute ceiling, think again. When previous Mini generations released, everyone assumed engineers had maxed out every millimeter of space under the crucial regulatory weight limit. But factory leaks, regulatory filings, and insider supply chain reports tell a completely different story. For the Mini 6 Pro, DJI is pushing physics to the extreme to deliver cinema-grade capabilities inside a frame that fits in the palm of your hand. Let's address the main focus first: the camera module. The Mini series has always compromised on low-light performance and dynamic range, compared to larger drones like the Mavic or Air series. However, leaks confirm that the Mini 6 Pro is receiving a custom-stacked sensor paired with a true mechanical variable aperture. Why does this change everything? A variable aperture operating from f1.7 down to f11 allows you to shoot in blinding direct sunlight without relying heavily on physical ND filters, giving you instant creative control over depth of field and exposure in changing environments. Combine that hardware with stacked sensor technology and rolling shutter distortion, that jelly effect when you pan quickly or follow high-speed subjects, is virtually eliminated. Early production notes suggest 6K video recording capabilities at high frame rates, giving creators maximum crop room for horizontal and vertical formats without sacrificing resolution. But a high-resolution 6K sensor creates a massive technical problem: heat. Processing high bit rates generates intense thermal energy, and in a tiny sub-250-gram plastic housing with minimal passive airflow, heat can cause thermal throttling or system shutdown. DJI is reportedly addressing this with a redesigned Ultralight, titanium alloy heatsink and targeted passive ventilation channels that vent heat outward through propeller downforce. Now let's talk about autonomy and safety, because this is where the Mini 6 Pro takes a massive generational jump. Standard vision sensors struggle in low-light environments, making night flying or dense forest tracking risky. Leaks indicate that DJI is scaling down its enterprise-grade LiDAR modules to fit the Mini frame. By combining solid-state LiDAR with multi-directional optical sensors, the Mini 6 Pro can actively paint a 3D point cloud map of its surroundings in pitch-black conditions. This powers a new predictive AI subject tracking system. Instead of simply reacting to where a subject moves, the onboard AI predicts trajectories. If you are mountain biking down a dense tree canopy and momentarily break line of sight behind a boulder, the drone does not freeze or lose lock. It calculates your trajectory and continues tracking smoothly until visual contact is re-established. Extended flight time has always been the holy grail for portable drones. The biggest limitation of sub-249G drones has been lithium-ion battery energy density. To break through the current threshold, supply chain sources reveal that DJI is adopting high-density silicon-anode battery technology. Silicon-anode cells store significantly more power per gram compared to traditional graphite anode batteries. This means the standard battery pack could push flight times toward 45 minutes while staying strictly under the 249-gram limit, while the extended battery option could break the 60-minute barrier on a single charge. Imagine taking off, executing complex hyperlapses, mapping out multiple cinematic reveals, and landing with power to spare, all without landing every 20 minutes to swap packs. Transmission reliability is another major area receiving a top-tier upgrade. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to debut DJI's next-generation O5 transmission protocol. In dense urban environments filled with heavy Wi-Fi interference, signal dropouts are every pilot's nightmare. O5 utilizes multi-band signal hopping and intelligent antenna management to deliver an uncompressed, ultra-low latency 1080p feed at 60 frames per second over immense distances. You get a rock-solid image in your controller screen whether you are weaving through concrete structures or flying across deep valleys. There is also the regulatory reality, particularly for pilots in the United States and international markets. Regulatory bodies like the FAA have continuously tightened guidelines surrounding remote ID, broadcast protocols, and import compliance. Keeping the base drone under 249 grams remains critical because it exempts casual users from recreational registration requirements in many jurisdictions. DJI engineers have stripped weight from every internal component, using micro-molded composite arms, thinner wiring harnesses, and hollowed-out gimbal motors to squeeze in the larger sensor, silicon battery, and advanced chipsets without crossing that 249-gram threshold. When can you expect to get your hands on it, and what will it cost? Historical launch cadence and production timelines point to an official global announcement window in late 2026 or early spring. Price-wise, with the inclusion of advanced stacked sensors, silicon battery tech, and improved processors, expect a slight price bump. The standard base package is projected to land around $799 to $849, with the Fly More Combo and RC Pro bundled options ranging between $1,099 and $1,299. Is the Mini 6 Pro going to render every other compact drone obsolete? If these specifications hold true across mass production, it will effectively close the gap between lightweight consumer drones and professional cinematic rigs, giving creators true studio-grade quality in a pocket-sized footprint. For anyone who relies on quick setups in remote locations, the implications of this release go far beyond mere hardware numbers. In field testing scenarios reported by testers, the ability to operate in high winds while maintaining stable video output is typically reserved for platforms weighing twice as much. The Mini 6 Pro addresses this through redesigned motor geometry and dynamic propeller blades that automatically flex under load to counter turbulence. When combined with updated gyro stabilization algorithms, the drone holds position with pinpoint precision, allowing for longer exposures during low-light photography without motion blur. Furthermore, the remote controller ecosystem is seeing significant refinement. Rather than relying entirely on smartphone integration, the next-generation smart controllers feature ultra-bright screens built to handle direct sunlight visibility without overheating. The internal processing of the remote offloads a portion of the map rendering and real-time flight telemetry, reducing the processing load on the drone itself and conserving valuable battery power during operation. Software integration is also receiving a complete refresh with an expanded suite of automated flight maneuvers. Pre-programmed cinematic moves, quick shots, and orbital patterns have been updated with smoother acceleration curves, giving finished footage a far more professional, manually piloted feel right out of the camera. For quick turnarounds, the internal storage has been upgraded to high-speed solid-state memory, ensuring you can record high bitrate video without being immediately bottlenecked by memory card write speeds. When evaluating all these technological leaps together, the variable aperture stacked sensor, solid-state LiDAR navigation, high-density battery architecture, and refined transmission, it becomes clear that DJI is re-architecting what a compact drone can achieve. The Mini 6 Pro isn't just an incremental update. It represents a fundamental shift in lightweight aerial technology. Make sure to subscribe to TapTech, leave your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for the full hands-on review the moment this aircraft officially launches.